care joints because joints most important connected liver and kidneys. These joints, around the joints, many part connected the ligaments, tendons. These ligaments, tendons connected the liver. Also, liver hidden blood. Liver blood, if very good liver qi, also liver blood is enough, then qi and the blood will through these joints. Then these joints will be very good. From kidneys, I think kidneys is yang energy. Yang energy always push yang qi, push qi and blood through whole body. If this yang energy enough, this whole body temperature and the push is very strong force. So strong force can really clean joints, rubbish, can clean whole body. So this most important is kidneys qi, abundant yang qi, liver, like this two part.